Hello everyone, and thanks for joining. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily enable dark mode in the Sofascore app on your Android phone. Dark mode helps reduce eye strain and saves battery life, making your app experience more comfortable, especially in low-light environments. First, open the Sofascore app on your Android device. Make sure you are in the Profile section by tapping the profile icon at the bottom. At the top right corner, tap the Settings icon to access app settings. After that, select the Preferences option from the list. Following this, click on App Theme. Finally, choose Dark from the options. The app will update instantly to dark mode. That's all there is to it. Now you can enjoy Sofascore in a sleek dark theme that's easier on the eyes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.